Many parts of the Twin Tiers are still under air quality alerts this evening as smoke continues to flow in from massive wildfires happening in Canada. WENY's Scott Brubaker spoke with some local and state health experts about how to protect yourself in these smoky conditions. Scott.
Yeah, Renata, the skies were a little less hazy today, but the air is still unhealthy for sensitive groups. The health experts that I talked to today say that there are easy steps to take to prevent getting sick from the bad air. This was the view from Harris Hill on Tuesday afternoon. Views of vibrant green hills are now covered in a smoky haze.
So it's important to take this seriously and think about adjusting your activities.
New York State's health commissioner says right now the air quality should only have a big impact on people with underlying conditions.
Because these particles are very small, they can travel deep into our lungs, and it could cause an irritation. Sometimes it'll affect people with asthma or even people with other lung diseases or people with heart disease.
Signs you've been out in poor quality air for too long include coughing, a runny nose, and even burning eyes. Dr. Michelle Malnowski with Arnett Health says symptoms from poor air can last a while. She says after Canadian wildfire smoke covered the Twin Tiers in 2023, she noticed more patients coming in with symptoms.
About a month or two afterwards, I noticed that folks had trouble with their breathing. That was kind of a prolonged sort of, it wasn't like getting a bronchitis and then recovering. They had a 3 to 4 week time where their breathing was really off due to this exposure.
Experts suggest limiting time outside during times of poor air quality, wearing a tight-fitting mask if needed, and just listening to your body. Just like checking the weather app before walking out the door, experts say checking your region's air quality should become part of your routine.
You wake up in the morning, you might check the weather to see what you should wear when you go outside to see if it's going to be raining or sunny. Also check airnow.gov to understand if there's an air quality alert or some concern in your neighborhood.
And our first warning weather team is telling us that these conditions are expected to last through Thursday. And if you want to check the air quality in your area, you can visit airnow.gov for the most up-to-date information. Renata?